Should you yuck this? No, it's yucky. Yucky. Just go right here, Emily. Go right here.
Emily,
Emily.
you gonna jump for Joey?
Emily, wanna jump? No. Then how are you gonna get off?
Jump, jump, jump. 1, 2, 3.
No. Okay, go with you. Go.
He's gonna get you. Ready? 1, 2, 3. She's heavy. Oh! Whoa! Brave! Brave cousins! Whoa! Emmy, was that fun or scary? It was scary? But you're gonna do it again?